Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Just Believe and நான் உங்க பவித்ரா. ஸோ எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? வீக்கெண்ட்ஸ் எப்படி போயிட்டு இருந்துச்சு? அண்ட் ஐ ஹேட் அ கிரேட் வீக்கெண்ட் டூ, தேங்க்யூ. இப்போ இந்த வீடியோவில் சூப்பரான ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரெண்ட் அண்ட் இன்ஃபர்மேட்டிவ் அண்ட் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான ஒரு வீடியோ தான் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். இது உங்களுக்கு மேக்கப்பில் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்குது, காஸ்மெட்டிக்ஸ், ஹேர் கேர், ஸ்கின் கேர், அதுக்கப்புறம் ஈவன் ஃபேஷியல், இந்த மாதிரி எல்லா விஷயங்களையும் உங்களுக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா, ஒர்க் ஃப்ரம் ஹோம் பண்ணணும், நீங்கள் ப்ரைடல் மேக்கப் கற்றுக்கணும், அதுவும் இந்த கம்மி ப்ரைஸில் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா டெஃபினட்டாக இந்த வீடியோவை ஃபுல்லாக வாட்ச் பண்ணுங்கள். பிகாஸ் இந்த வீடியோவில் இதை பற்றின கம்ப்ளீட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் அண்ட் வித் ப்ரைஸ் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் நான் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அண்ட் இந்த வீடியோ கொஞ்சம் இங்கிலீஷில் தான் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் மெஜாரிட்டி இருக்கும், பிகாஸ் அவங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் இஸ் மோர் கம்ஃபர்டபுள் அவங்களுக்கு, அதனால் இந்த வீடியோ இங்கிலீஷில் இருக்கும். ஸோ இஃப் எனி டவுட் நீங்கள் எனக்கு கால் பண்ணலாம், பட் வீடியோவை ஃபுல்லாக கண்டிப்பாக வாட்ச் பண்ணுங்கள். அண்ட் வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஜஸ்ட் பிலீவ் சேனலை மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, அந்த பெல் ஐக்கன் ஹிட் பண்ணவும் மறந்துடாதீங்க. நவ் லெட்ஸ் பிகின். ஸோ ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் பேக் டு மை சேனல். மயிலாப்பூரில் ப்ரோ ஆர்ட் அகாடமிக்கு இங்கே வந்திருக்கோம். இங்கே என்னெல்லாம் அவங்க பண்ணுறாங்க, மேக்கப் சொல்லித்தராங்க, என்னென்ன ஆஃபர்ஸ் போயிட்டுருக்கு, வாட் எல்ஸ் ஷீ இஸ் டூயிங் அப்படிங்கிறத கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுப்போம். ஹாய் ஆர்த்தி.
ஹாய் பவித்ரா, lovely meeting you.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming in.
Sure. So shall we start the session?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So இங்க நீங்க ஆக்சுவலா என்னென்ன சொல்லி கொடுக்குறீங்க?
See, actually in the center பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் we have two brands. Okay, one brand is a Pro Art Makeup Academy. You would have noticed that we have another board also, which is Aarti Gupta Studio, which is a skin lab, bridal and makeovers.
Okay.
So we are here an academy for teaching also is there, and also we have a service oriented stuff. Okay. Basically, Pro Art Makeup Academy is absolutely a professional school for makeup. Okay. Having said that, makeup has become a very lucrative career, not only as a full-time job, even as a part-time job. It's a beautiful room, but it's got a step, so I'm not going to.
Everything, haircut, salon, எல்லாமே காமிச்சீங்க. Now you also take classes, you said. So can you tell me what are the basic prices from scratch of the course until என்னெல்லாம் சொல்லி கொடுக்குறீங்க?
See, as a makeup academy, we've designed a course that everybody should benefit and should it. We understand there is a passion. So if you look at passion, people come from all levels.
Okay.
Okay, so we have made a course from it's called Foundations till they're exposed to makeup, where they can kickstart a career. So from 10,000 onwards, okay, to up to 1 lakh we have a course.
Okay.
Okay, and right now currently we have a 40% offer going on, which means if a course is 10,000, they get it for 6,000.
Okay.
Okay, which is very affordable. And let me tell you one thing, Pavitra.
Yeah.
This is one course I feel investment is really it doesn't go wasted, because they earn their money back. Okay. You know, there are so many courses students do, like they go for a computer course, an animation course. Even after all that, I think when they go to an entry job, they only start with 15,000, 20,000 as a salary, and then over the years and experiences meant they will grow. Okay. But this is one place they start taking even things like a party makeup, they start paying 4,000 to 5,000. Mm-hmm. Bridal makeup, they start earning somewhere to 7,000 to 15,000. And in a very short span, they know how to market themselves. It's word of mouth. And I have a lot of my friends, students come and tell you, ma'am, I earn more than my doctor's sister.
Okay.
Okay. So it's like, and that's why, even parents have understood, though it comes under occasional career, and it's thing, it's not a profession. It's like, it doesn't come in a mainstream kind of thing. But people understood that it's a career which they can earn back well. So, and that's another reason with makeup as a career is it can be taken as a part-time. Okay. So it's a parallel career. Okay. You can be an IT person, and most of my students work, they don't drop their job because they take assignments on weekends. They take assignments, almost bridals are early morning or in the evening, and they still make that extra money, and they earn more than the salary they get.
Okay.
And a lot of housewives also take it because it's like, it's only 3-hour job. Okay, any package you go for, and you're able to earn in 3 hours, you're able to earn anywhere between 7,000 to 15,000, which is a good amount of money. So I feel the kind of what they invest in this thing, I think they make it well, and it's a very good opportunity as a career, as a passion, whatsoever.
Okay, great. So there are so many people like me on wheelchair. Now, do you think learning makeup is feasible? Is it comfortable, or what do you actually think they can learn or not?
See, certain amount of disabilities, I think makeup is a creative work. Like somebody asked me this question a couple of days ago, a deaf person learn. It's okay because it's more like what they see and learn.
Yes.
But like as you said, when you're in a wheelchair, there is a certain number of restrictions because sometimes it may need standing. Not because the person and your model cannot sit down and do. Usually we do makeup at an eye level.
Okay.
Because when you see eye level to eye, that's why we stand and even our makeup chairs are all very high because you try to see at eye level. But if your clients are not fussy and you can accommodate that, you will be able to. I still don't think there should be a restriction.
Okay, great.
There will be a little bit of thing, but
yeah, maybe they can learn regarding spa, haircuts. That is possible.
yeah,
I believe,
facials
right?
and those kind of things is very much possible because it's all sitting job and you can still do it. We teach nail extensions. So yeah, we teach nail extensions, we teach eyelash extensions. Today, in fact, there's another interesting class going on which is called microblading for eyebrows.
Oh,
It's just going opposite, you should say. And we have an expert from US and UAE.
Okay.
Microblading is the most upcoming technique for eyebrows
Yes.
now because it's the only way, eyebrows can shape the face and entirely give you a complete structure to your face. It can bring your age by so many years. And there's no way of regrowing eyebrow hair. And people who should tattoo microblading is only where you can actually create natural strokes and it's so safe. And we have the best. And two factors are important doing it. One is the expert and two is the pigment. Both we have the best. So we're doing an extremely good job and service also. We've been doing a lot of service for microblading eyebrows. And we're training. It's another upcoming service. So a lot of people are getting into as this career. Because see, like microblading is quite a highly paid service because it's a lot of technique involved. So many people look at that as a very, very lucrative career as well.
okay. How much is that for microblading?
So for the course, we actually charge 25,000 with the kit. We give them a kit value of 5,000 to 6,000.
Okay.
It's a 3 days intensive class. Till after that, we still monitor them for 3 months because there's something called practice sheets, like latex sheets. So they practice because we check on their strokes, the fineness of the stroke, the depth of the stroke. That's how it's done internationally.
Okay.
So our classes are absolutely, all of our classes are par with the international standards. Nail extension, nothing's really coming up because everyone these days wants nail extension. Become very affordable also.
Okay.
And we do eyelash extensions as well.
Okay.
And we teach also that.
Okay. Is it painful? Eyelash extensions.
Eyelash, see, again, it's everything. Sometimes I just feel people would have the right knowledge. Like I told you, microblading. Experience. We do train a lot of people also. But still, I still say experience is very important. That is why even our own students, we tell them 3 months of practice sheets we need. At least 10 sheets of practice we need to tell that you're fully ready to take it.
Okay.
But there are places where family goes for one course for 3 days and 4th day they are sitting on the top of the client. And then they are actually practicing on the clients.
Okay.
So, all that is got, that's why I always tell people, see who's doing it. And then there's no thing like, there's price lesser. You sometimes have to pay for the quality. I was saying similar with eyelash extension. The most important thing in eyelash extension is not even the hair used, it is the glue.
Oh.
Yeah, because it's such a sensitive part of the eye, you need to use the most safest product on it. So good glues are a little expensive.
Okay.
But then it lasts longer, it stays longer, it's highly hypoallergic and because a lot of times people come to me and say, ma'am, I did eyelash extension somewhere, my eyes are itching and I became red. So all that can be avoided if you do it in the right place. See, for me, education is very important, Pavitra. At the same time, education correctly is very important.
Very true. Yes.
Because you want to bring standards. You want to develop this. In fact, I'm also a governing council member in the Beauty and Wellness Secretary Council under the Skill Ministry. I'm very proud to say I drafted the occupational standards for India. I've done 66 textbooks for India.
Amazing. Okay.
And those textbooks are all circulated in the ITI colleges. So I drafted, because under the Modi government, they have a Skill India where occupational standard for India was drafted in 2016.
Okay.
So I'm been a part of it. And so that's why I believe in standards.
Okay. So I've been to like so many other places, getting to know in the Mari course edukranga, but still I was like kind of okay, this should be something good. So like you said, in the offers எதுல போயிட்டு இருக்கு எல்லாத்துலயுமே 40%
off.
So
இப்போ நீங்க பார்த்தது வந்து ஒரு பக்கம் நீங்க வந்து என்னோட அகாடமி பாத்தீங்க. இன்னொரு பக்கம் வந்து as a thing, we also have a studio. So inga vanda it's like a boutique studio.
Okay.
See why it's like a boutique studio? I used to be in the salon business. Now salon business is like a male. I want to work where my expertise can be shared.
Okay.
So you want to use, I work with passion, and I also work when expertise can. So it's not only on a commercial aspect. You want to do the best. So this is like, it's a luxurious tube producer. We do all the services. We have the beautiful team. So we do the best of haircuts, we do the best of hair coloring, the best of skincare. And so now we're sitting actually in my skin lab. Okay. So here we have a cosmetologist and dermatologist, because again, skin has also moved on to a next level. Okay. With so many products in India, I think everyone knows how to do their own cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and pack.
Yeah.
Okay. But then, if you're going to go to the salon and do the same thing, you're absolutely getting someone else done using the same thing.
Yeah.
And after 15 days, you say, I don't see any difference. That's because that's all it can do. So skin has to be rejuvenated from inside, and that can be done only with products and with a technique, and it needs a good doctor. And I'm not again talking about going and peeling off your skin and getting very deep, and many people are scared, oh they'll put some machines and do all those things. It's not like that.
Okay.
I educate my clients. I tell them skin regeneration can be done beautifully. Only thing is we need to work with a product which can enter into a dermal layer. And we have to make sure because we have to repair the skin. So we do something called nanopore and nanotechnology. Nano itself is so minute, and products used are absolutely from natural sources. High level of stable vitamin C's, which is very important for the skin. We all take vitamin C as a repair. The skin is a repair system again.
Yeah.
So if you know how to repair your body internally, we can also know how to repair the skin externally. So it's like how giving the booster vitamin shots on your skin, and the shots in the sense giving through nano, just giving those products with a little bit of machines to make sure it enters inside. Is a natural booster.
Okay.
It boosts the collagen, it repairs the skin. And we do hyaluronic acid, which is like the natural hydrating factor of skin is hyaluronic.
Okay.
So when you lose that, that's when your skin starts looking dull. So we do reserve derma, which is from grapes. So we use products in a technique advanced, but basically trying to regenerate skin. And it helps beautiful whether the person is young, with acne marks, uneven skin. So again, people come to me, I have these clients, I want to look like Nayanthara, I want my skin whitening. I'm like, okay, we can do that, but skin has so many aspects. It could be an uneven skin tone. Okay, it can be elasticity, it may be firmness, it may be marks. We have to address every part. You can't have a fair person and dark handwriting and a dark lip. So we address every bit of it. And I always believe we don't do magics, we have to do together.
Yes.
So I always believe home care is very important. Because you're out of the clinic and you come to me seeing me once in 20 days. And between these 20 days, I don't know what you're doing. And if we are working together in rebuilding your skin, in repairing your skin, in trying to make your skin glow, which means every day you must be following a little more effort. And nothing great. I just tell them to use a nice serum in the morning, a nice serum in the night, a good moisturizer and a sunscreen. That's all. And I also tell them to do a little bit of detoxifying water. When we work from altar, I say magic. People are happier. The skin really radiates. And we can get younger by 10 years. And firmer. It's possible. But we have to educate. We do beautiful PRP treatments. We do mesotherapy for the head, for the face. We do beautiful mesotherapy. So we do a lot of multiple treatments, and they're not expensive like the name sounds. We're very affordable, but much more affordable than a salon facial.
Okay.
That's what I tell people. And very good high-end salon facial will cost you something like 5,000 to 6,000, whereas our treatments charge from start from 2,500.
Oh, great.
Okay, so you can get a beautiful skin without paying, ripping your pockets off. But and these things, what you do is long-lasting, is a permanent solution of repairing the skin.
It's really amazing. Okay.
Yeah. So our packages for wedding makeup, for per guest, for saree draping, hair, and makeup starts from 2,500. Yeah. So and what happens is, again, when you go to people who are not trained, they just do okay, it's part of makeup. It's really simple makeup. They just put 2 colors and finish it off. Because our girls are so well trained, they work almost like a bride. They work on the eye, they work on the face shape, they work on the contour, they work on the best lip, they work on and give you a beautiful guest makeup.
Okay.
So we do and we have guest makeup packages like three. So now we are very popular in our guest makeup packages. So we do a lot of North Indian weddings, South Indian. So we have a lot of NRI clients. So we get booked for 10, 15 people. So upon the bride, we also do a lot of guest makeup package. Of course, bride I'm always there because I work with a lot of celebs and things like that. So brides I have a beautiful senior makeup artist. My team is extremely good.
ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இங்கே வந்து மைக்ரோபிளேடிங் கிளாஸ் போயிட்டுருக்கு. ஆல்சோ உங்களுக்கு நெயில் ஆர்ட் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்குன்னா நெயில் ஆர்ட் செஷன்ஸ் எடுக்கிறாங்க. எனிதிங் லைக் இட்ஸ் நாட் ஒன்லி a salon, it's a complete academy. இது ஒரு கிளாஸ் அண்ட் ஸ்டுடியோ. ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு வந்து இதில் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்குது, யூ ஆர் ஏபிள் டு அஃபோர்ட். இந்த 5,000 6,000ங்கிறது ரொம்பவே கம்மியான ப்ரைஸ். ஸோ உங்களுக்கு இது முடியும் அப்படின்னா இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்குன்னா கண்டிப்பாக காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். நான் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் கொடுக்குறேன். ஆர் யூ கேன் காண்டாக்ட் மீ ஃபார் எனி டவுட். So hopefully இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு இன்ஃபர்மேட்டிவா இருந்திருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் friends. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video then. Bye.